The cream of broccoli soup is an Italian classic that highlights the simplicity of genuine ingredients. The creaminess of this comforting soup makes it enjoyable for the whole family. Perfect for those who desire a healthy meal without sacrificing taste, the cream of broccoli soup can be served as a first course or as a main course, accompanied by toasted bread croutons. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of broccoli, 2 medium potatoes, 1 white onion, 1 clove of garlic, 500 milliliters of vegetable broth, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and black pepper, 100 milliliters of fresh cream, optional grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Preparation. Begin by preparing the vegetables. Wash the broccoli thoroughly under running water. Remove the toughest part of the stem, and cut the florets into smaller pieces. Peel the potatoes, and cut them into cubes of about 2 centimeters. Finely chop the white onion and the clove of garlic. In a large pot, heat the 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, and sauté for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion becomes translucent and lightly golden. Add the potato cubes to the pot, and mix well to let them absorb the flavors of the sauté. Cook for about 5 minutes, continuing to stir to prevent them from sticking to the bottom. Add the chopped broccoli to the pot, and stir to combine the ingredients. Pour in the vegetable broth, ensuring that the vegetables are completely covered by the liquid. If necessary, add a little hot water to cover all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot with a lid, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, or until the potatoes and broccoli are tender when pierced with a fork. Once the vegetables are cooked, remove the pot from the heat. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup directly in the pot until you obtain a smooth and creamy consistency. If you prefer a thinner soup, you can add some hot broth or hot water until you reach the desired consistency. If you wish to make the soup even creamier, add the fresh cream to the soup and mix well. Return the pot to the heat over low heat and warm for a few minutes, without bringing to a boil, to combine the cream. Adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your taste, stirring well to distribute the seasonings evenly. Pour the cream of broccoli soup into serving bowls. If you like, sprinkle the surface with grated Parmesan cheese and add a drizzle of raw extra virgin olive oil to enhance the flavor. Serve the soup hot, accompanied by toasted bread croutons or slices of rustic bread. Curiosities. The cream of broccoli soup is a versatile dish that can be enriched with the addition of other vegetables like zucchini, spinach, or leeks to vary the flavor and nutrients. For a vegan version, you can substitute the fresh cream with coconut milk or unsweetened soy milk and omit the Parmesan, or use grated plant-based cheese. This soup is also ideal to prepare in advance and reheat when needed, making it practical for weekday meals.